Alright, here we go. We are doing the 2x flower, which is the flower to get the bullet to expand. We got the 2x4 behind it, and we're going to do the catch and see how the hole through the 2x4, well 2x6, and see what kind of hole it makes after expanding through the flower, and take a look at the bullet. So this is with 350 Legend 180 grain Winchester Super X, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, here we go with the results from the 2x flower with 350 Legend at 50 yards. Went through the flower. Basically what's going on here is it didn't fully penetrate the board. Is what it did is it actually split it in half, because that's the actual full piece. I just didn't grab it. It basically just it split the board, as you can see with it that was pushing through. And what we got going on here, let me see if I can squeeze this together the best that I can for y'all from rim to rim. Yeah, we're looking at almost a 3/4 inch hole, and from top to bottom, 0.58 hole, if y'all can see that. And then, like I said, there's your path of the destruction going through. Pretty nice. As you see, it went through, basically split the board and got stuck. It really didn't even penetrate the first pair of jeans. It just stopped them on contact. So we got a kind of a gnarly football shape going on here. Let's just see what kind of expansion we got. .78 on the expansion, which is basically about the same size as the hole. And let's just go the other way. That is actually .61. There you go. Get some weight on a 139 grain bullet. Well, that's obviously picked up. Had to have picked up something. Oh, holy hell! It's not a 139 grain bullet. It's a. If I was saying, I'm not refilming this. If I was saying anything about 7mm rod 8, scratch that. It's the 350 Legend. I apologize. I don't know why I was referencing it as a 7mm rod 8. If I did that, but out of a 180 grain bullet, we're still at 176 grain. We're gonna call it 177, 176 grain. Not too shabby. Some good sprawling going on there. Like I said, interesting shape going through the board. Pinched it off, but there you go. Not too bad. Thanks for watching.